Sa kung tunay ng ating banal na simbahan,
Opo, Father.
buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa Kanya na iyong sarili bilang Kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
As we begin this beautiful journey together, I want you to know how much you mean to me. Every moment with you is a treasure. This gift is just a small token of my love for you, a symbol of all the joy, laughter, and adventures that awaits us in our life together. I promise to love, honor, and cherish you for all the days of my life.
I vow to honor and respect you, to nurture our love with patience and kindness, and to support your dream as if it were my own.
I choose you. In 100 words I find.
Sabi ko lang, thank you kay Papa kasi pinalaki niya kami na maayos. Kahit na, hindi kami po.
For the rest of my life.
Anak, huwag mong kalilimutan yung bigay sa amin.
Bakit ganyan?
I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning.
Finally, dito na tayo. Who would have thought na ikaw pala yung taong kukumpleto ng buhay ko? Of all the people I met and all the places I've been, somehow in some way, I ended up here with you. Indeed, love always finds its way back home.
Ang maipapayo ko lang sa anak ko, mahalin niyang mabuti yung asawa niya. Sana pakamamahalin niya. At huwag niyang sasaktan.
Is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity.
Hindi ko na sabihin na sana magustuhan mo yung gift ko. Kasi dapat, magustuhan mo. Sayang effort. Smile mo na. Babe, thank you sa gift. Na-appreciate ko. Lahat naman ng binigay mo sa akin, appreciated ko yan. See you later. I love you.
Find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do, and we.
At ang bait nga ni Lord, in His perfect timing, ibinalik ka niya sa panahong ready na tayo. And today, I vow to always love you and stand by you through life's challenges.
Every day and every
Mark, bukod ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib sa Roxanne ng iyong pagmamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay? Opo, Father.
you. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life.
With you, I found exactly the person I had been looking for. Thank you for loving me the way I always prayed for. Wala akong minahal at mamahaling iba, kundi ikaw at ikaw lang hanggang pagtanda. Love you, babe.
Where it starts. And every day,
Ikaw ang pinili ko dati at pipiliin ko ng paulit-ulit. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord for giving you as my lifetime partner.
Together, we will create a life filled with faith, love, and peace. I love you, babe.